Will it
Okay.
possible in future they can make a human body?
Robotic Manush?
No, no, not robot, like a same human. Yeah.
Maybe it is possible because in biotechnology it is also increasing day by day.
Hello friends, this is Vikas. You are watching English conversation video. If you are English learner, then you can learn many things from here. So please subscribe my channel and keep learning.
This is our first meeting, so would you like to start with the self introduction?
Yes, why not? Yeah. Yeah, my name is Vikas Mahato and I am from Jharkhand. I am from Jamshedpur district in Jharkhand, and I have completed my graduation degree, and after that now I am working under state government. And if I talk about my hobbies, then I like to watch YouTube videos and movie. And apart from this, I like to visit like any historical or natural place. Yeah, that's all.
So, shall I introduce myself? Is
Okay,
that
yeah.
okay? Okay. So, hi, my name is Anurag and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Okay,
So, I'm from Uttar Pradesh and my district name is Barabanki. That is actually next to Lucknow.
okay.
Are you aware about Lucknow?
Yes, yes, I heard about Lucknow.
Yeah, that is our capital. So,
Yeah.
Barabanki is next to Lucknow. And
Okay.
right now I'm a student. I have done
Yeah.
my graduation in 2017 in Bachelor of Science. And now, right now, I'm pursuing my second bachelor course. That is actually a teaching course. The duration of the course is actually 2 years. Right now, I'm in final year. In my spare time, I love to watch travel vlogs, conversation, English conversation video, and right now since 1 month I've started my YouTube channel. So
Okay.
I'm also focusing on my channel. My channel name is Beginning with Anurag, and the spelling of my name is ANNUR.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
So I have a class today at I guess 10:20 p.m. So and today's topic is uh, the future.
Okay.
So would you like to talk about this topic?
Yes, why not? Yeah, means
So
you had a class in which
I have
platform?
a class. I have a class on Clapping Go on
Okay.
10:20 p.m. today tonight. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
Right.
yeah. Yeah, that's
So
good.
okay. So the today's topic is actually the future. So would
Yes.
you like to talk about this topic?
Yes, why not? We,
So what do you think about the future? I mean to say that if we thought about that in 2050, what the major changes gonna be in future in 2050? What do you think in terms of
to,
transportation, in terms of education, in terms of technology? Because technology is improving day by day, and it acquires the high level day by day.
mm,
So, what do you
yes, yes.
think about this aspect?
Yeah, there are many things those will change in our future because you are saying about say, till 2050, then it will many things change because we are every day we are changing, l- but we are not getting properly because of means every day we are changing only little bit, little small things. That's why if that thing we will see after 1 year, after 2 year, then that thing means we feel very big change. Yeah, that's why we can say automatic we are changing, and after some years we will change many things.
Maybe the things like that. Uh, the uh, the technology sector maybe develop humans organ, and we maybe we can put these organs or these machines in our body. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, maybe that type of technology will develop in our future, but
Do you
now we can't. Yeah, now
do
we
you think
can't say yeah about it because in future we depend only in technology. It's technology work very well, then it will come in future. Yeah.
Do you think these type of technology have any advantage or disadvantage?
Yeah, technology
Uh, like
has.
I mentioned that in future maybe in terms of technology the technical team maybe develop humans organ electrical organs, you can say,
Okay.
uh, artificial organs,
Yeah.
just like heart. There is a artificial heart available in today's world. So,
Yeah.
so what do you think about future? Because technology is developing day by day, so maybe it is possible to.
It's possible to, like, in future, all types of all organs will develop in future, because now also you already mentioned here, now also it's available, like there are many types of, who does not have a leg, then he can take artificial leg, and that type of many organs we can take now also, because that's why we can say in future all things will develop and all things will available, organ also, body parts also. But I think in future also we can't make a human. Will it
Okay.
possible in future?
रोबोटिक मनुष्य मतलब ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ.
No, no, not robot, like a same human.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it is possible because in our like in biotechnology it is also increasing day by day, because now the test tube baby, you can say, you can see like that, there is it is a successful technology, like to produce uh, what inside happen in our human body. They are
Okay.
producing test tube baby, so maybe possible. And there are some news I have read that maybe it is possible. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe it is possible. I wanna ask you one thing, that
Yeah.
what is your motive to learn English, to learn speaking, to learn English? What is your motive behind it?
Actually, I am very fond of learning English from my school life itself. And now I have some free time. I am working. I have some free time. That's why I want to use my free time to in a good thing, like learning English. Yeah. I don't have
That,
any other motive, because it's not necessary in my job, and I am not preparing for any job also. That's why it's just like that. Yeah.
okay. So, do you wanna add in your? So it is going to be add in your skill.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's really nice, I guess. So, what you are doing to enhance your English speaking and something like that? Are you reading something? Are you speaking with someone? So, what are you doing?
Yes, I am reading. We all know how, means what should we do for English? Means we should read, like then I also read some. I have one book, English book, and I read every day newspaper. I don't read all news. I read only 2 to 3 news in the
Yeah, so
any
good
English
thing.
newspaper. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then after I watch some English speech video, and I practice with in that type of platform, like in video call or any other in Telegram group. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. That's the best thing actually. Um, I want to recommend you one app, and
Okay.
actually, the app is called as Ace Fluency. Have you heard this app?
Yes, I heard as fluency, and I used that app also. But I am facing one type of problem in that app. Like when I call, it is a audio call practice app. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, it is an audio call, but it is good for beginners, because in India it is very hard to find a co-learners
Yes.
or
Yes. Yes.
co-partner.
Yeah.
Do you do
Yeah.
you do you
You are
agree
right.
with that?
Yeah, you were right. I mean, say it's very difficult to find any partner. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. But I am facing a problem with that app. Like when I call to talk any other member, that after 1 to 2 minutes it disconnect automatically. It happens with all, or it is happening with me only? I want to know from you.
Uh, maybe you are a beginner, so take your
Okay.
time. Take your time. It happens. So don't worry about that, and don't worry about to make a mistake. I'm also a beginner. I don't know
No,
about.
no, not. I am not saying that thing. I am saying about that app. It automatically disconnect that our my call. That thing I am saying.
So it is not automatically disconnect.
Okay.
The application provides you 25 minutes on daily
Yeah.
basis. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
you can talk 25 minutes to the learner on the daily basis. But
Okay.
it is depend on your partner, whom you are talking at the moment.
Yes.
You understand? It is depend on your partner, whom you're talking at the moment.
Yes. Yes.
It's
Yeah, I
who is
know, because if he
yeah,
if they're not interested, then they can disconnect. Yeah, I know that
they
thing,
can.
but I don't think
But
so. I think it disconnect automatically.
it disconnects automatically. Uh, this has not happened with me, so I can't tell you about
Okay,
this.
yeah, that thing I wanted to
So you
know from you.
Uh, no, this type of thing is not happening with me. So you can do one thing, you can uninstall the app and download again with the Play Store, Google Play Store.
Okay,
So
okay,
maybe issue can resolve.
okay. Then I will do like that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Behind your map is there something.
Yes, yes.
So are you
That,
preparing for something?
yeah, that is Jharkhand map, state map.
Okay, Jharkhand escape, Jharkhand state map. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I have some map like India and world map also, because I already told you I was preparing for like graduation level job and state PCS also, but now uh, I have left from that things, because our exam will our exam is postponed again and again. That's why I don't like that
Okay,
type of.
you gave up. You gave up
Yeah,
what?
yeah, I give up. Yeah, yes,
You gave
yeah,
up.
and I want to know from you, like same thing, like what do you do uh, for your English? Mm,
Uh, what I do for what?
what do you do for your English? Yeah.
What I for my to enhance my English speaking.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I read some books online. There is
Okay.
an app called Giggle who provides you to read or listen online, and it is very good app. I found it a very good app. So you
Yeah.
have to check it. It is available on Google Play. So GIGL Giggle app. So
Okay.
you can listen the book online, and you can also read the book online. So I'm doing this type of thing. Also, one thing, YouTube is a biggest source of learning and
Yes.
doing new things. So I'm watching Steve Harvey show. He's a
Yeah.
stand, he's a comedian. He is the greatest comedian of America. So
Who is?
Steve Harvey.
Okay, Steve Harvey.
Steve Harvey. He runs his show called as Steve Harvey Show. Okay,
Okay.
so I love to watch his show with the subtitle.
Subtitle. Yeah.
You can do it also. So I'm doing this, and have you heard about Friend web series?
Trend. No,
Yeah,
I
Friend
don't
web series.
watch web series. I don't
Yeah,
watch web series.
this
Yeah.
this web series is actually recommended by my Clapingo tutor. Uh,
Okay.
her name is her name is Praveen ma'am.
That web series is available in English language.
Yeah. This web series is only available in English, but you can
Okay.
uh, on the subtitle then you can watch it and you can grasp it very easily.
Yes, yes, yeah.
So I'm doing this type of thing, and I also watch some conversation video, English conversation videos.
Yeah, like when I watch any YouTube video, that thing is good. But when I read in mobile, like in newspaper and any other thing I read, that time I don't feel good in the mobile screen. It
I can
happens with
understand.
all.
We are using too much electronic devices.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Are you worried about that?
Yeah, that's why I like to read, means offline, any hard book, like
Read on
offline book.
paper.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
you love to read on a hard paper, not on
yes,
soft.
yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay, I understand. As a student, I can understand. We are using so many devices, electronic devices. It is
Yes.
harmful for our health and our eyes.
I think it's some network issue. We should stop here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.